Let's be honest for a second. Smartwatches are great, but are they really the future? Think about it. You have to charge them every day. The screen is tiny, and half the time you just stare at it to read a text message you could have seen on your phone. Here is the truth. By 2026, the smartwatch will not be the coolest gadget you own. In fact, the technology of the future is going invisible. In this video, we are going beyond the wrist. I'm going to show you 5 breakthrough wearable technologies coming in 2026 that will change how you live, sleep, and stay healthy. And number 4, it might actually replace your smartphone forever. Welcome back to the Automation Hub. We make the future easy to understand. Today, we are looking at the post-smartwatch era. Big companies like Apple, Samsung, and Meta are spending billions of dollars right now to move technology off your wrist and put it, well, everywhere else. These 5 gadgets are faster, smarter, and much easier to use. If you love staying ahead of the curve, please hit that subscribe button right now and like this video. It helps us find more amazing tech for you. Ready to see the future? Let's jump into number 1. First up, we have the device that is already killing the smartwatch industry, the smart ring. Now, you might ask, why would I want a ring? Here is a quick story. I used to wear a big, bulky smartwatch to bed because I wanted to track my sleep, but it was uncomfortable. The screen would light up in the middle of the night and wake me up. It was awful. The smart ring solves this. It is tiny, lightweight, and it has no screen to distract you. In 2026, these rings will be incredibly powerful. They won't just count your steps. They will measure your stress levels, your body temperature, and even predict if you are getting sick before you feel a cough. Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and an app says, "Take it easy today, your body is fighting a virus." That is the power of 2026 smart rings. They are the health guardian you wear and forget. But if the ring tracks your health, what will help you navigate the real world? That brings us to our next point. Number 2 is the technology that everyone is waiting for. AI smart glasses. Please forget those big, heavy VR headsets you see on the news. In 2026, smart glasses will look just like normal sunglasses, but they will have a secret superpower: artificial intelligence. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are on vacation in Paris. You sit down at a cafe, but the menu is in French. You don't need to pull out your phone and type. You just look at the menu, and your glasses instantly translate the words into English right before your eyes. Or imagine you are walking in a busy city. Instead of looking down at Google Maps on your phone, little arrows appear in your glasses to show you exactly where to walk. Companies like Meta and even Apple are working hard on this. By 2026, your glasses won't just protect your eyes from the sun, they will be your personal assistant that sees what you see. But what if you don't like wearing glasses or rings? What if your clothes could do the work for you? Number 3 is a category called smart clothing, or e-textiles. This is a huge breakthrough. For years, wearable tech meant strapping a hard plastic computer to your body. But in 2026, the computer is the fabric. Think about posture. How many of you have back pain from sitting at a desk all day? In 2026, you could wear a simple undershirt with invisible sensors woven into the cotton. When you slouch or hunch your shoulders, the shirt gives you a tiny, gentle vibration on your back. It reminds you to sit up straight, without you ever thinking about it. For runners, there are smart socks coming that analyze exactly how your foot hits the ground to prevent injuries. This is the ultimate goal of technology. It helps you, but you don't even know it's there. You just put on your shirt, go to work, and get healthier. However, all these devices still need to connect to something. Is the smartphone dying? Let's look at number 4. Number 4 is the most controversial tech on our list. It is the AI pin, or the wearable assistant. We are all addicted to our phone screens. We look at them 100 times a day. The AI pin wants to stop that. It is a tiny magnetic device you clip onto your jacket or shirt. It has no screen. You talk to it and it talks back. Here is the breakthrough for 2026. It won't just be like Siri or Alexa today. It will be an agent. Let's say you are cooking dinner and your hands are dirty. You suddenly remember you need to book a dentist appointment. You just tap your pin and say, Book a dentist appointment for next Tuesday morning and email my boss that I will be late. The AI pin checks your calendar, calls the dentist, speaks to the receptionist for you, books the time, and sends the email. You didn't touch a single screen. It feels like magic. It gives you your eyes and your hands back. But this final technology is the most important one. It isn't about convenience. It is about saving your life. Finally, number 5. This is the technology you need if you care about your long-term health. We call them medical patches. Right now, if you want to know what is happening inside your blood, you have to go to a doctor. But in 2026, you will wear a tiny sticker on your arm that lasts for 2 weeks. The biggest game changer here is for sugar and hydration. Imagine you are running a marathon or just working out in the gym. This patch analyzes your sweat in real time. It sends an alert to your headphones saying, "Drink water now, your electrolytes are low." Or for the millions of people watching their weight or blood sugar, these patches will tell you exactly how that slice of pizza affected your body 10 minutes after you ate it. It takes the guesswork out of being healthy. It's like having a doctor with you 24 hours a day, keeping you safe. So there you have it. The future isn't just another smartwatch with a brighter screen. The future is invisible. It is a ring that watches your sleep, glasses that translate the world, and clothes that fix your posture. It is technology that gets out of your way so you can enjoy your life. I want to know your opinion. Which one of these 5 would you actually wear? Would you wear the smart glasses or the smart ring? Leave a comment below with ring or glasses. I'd love to see who wins. And if you learned something new today, please subscribe to the Automation Hub. We are posting new videos every week to help you master the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.